In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in and log into your Zoom account so that you can create meetings for your department or for your students. You can host online meetings. So to start with, I'm using a MacBook Pro. I can come to the Launchpad and I can just go ahead and search for Zoom, and you can see it over here. So once you open the app, you can start by typing in your email address, and then you can click on next. Then you can type in your password. And then this is your brand new Zoom application that you have just logged in, ready to start joining a meeting. You can create a new meeting, or you can join an existing meeting, or you can schedule a meeting on your own, or you can share screen during meetings, so thereabout. So you have access to all of these features, and in this sidebar, you'll be able to see all upcoming meetings that you are hosting, and you can click to start the meeting or end it from here. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.